Welcome to Vlogmas Day 6. I missed yesterday because it was just a crazy day, but today was a day of rest, Sabbath observance. Love it. But as soon as the sun set, we're off to another adventure. My daughters, who have restarted their baking business, Better Than OK Sweets, were invited to be a vendor in an event in Philadelphia. So we're headed there now to get set up. Only one, I realize the lighting's horrible. Only one of the BTOK Sweets Empire is available tonight, but she's ready to hold it down for both of the girls. So join me as we go to this event and see what we do for the rest of the evening. All right.
Now, next slide.
All right, guys, we're here at the event.
Now, the thing I want you guys to realize, go back once, is that if you want to lose weight and keep it off, if you want restful sleep, if you want more energy.
Okay, so we're here at the event. It's just concluded. And these are the people here, and Caden's over there. She says that I talk too much, so I'm letting her do all the work. Hey guys, back home after the event and bake sale. Caden did pretty well. She made a little over 100, but of course her and Amara was split because Amara did some of the baking. She just was not able to be there tonight for the event. You probably can tell, but I'm a little tired. It was just a long day in general, but I have a lot of things to get done because I am flying out to Huntsville tomorrow, and I just want to make sure my bag is packed the way I need to. I have to run back to my office because I left my camera card, which I need. So I'll be doing that early in the morning, and I have to drop some things off to my daughter's dormitory as well. So it's late. It's like 10 o'clock on a Saturday night. But I'm going to go ahead and finish packing, get up early, run those errands, and then head to the airport. All right, we'll check in a little later. Okay guys, so I started packing, finishing up my packing, and I was remembering that there was one more item I needed to pack. And my mother-in-law, love my mother-in-law, she has this tradition with my father who loves sorrel. You know, classic Jamaican drink. And my dad likes the taste of sorrel, but he doesn't really like the alcohol that's in the original sorrel. So my mother-in-law makes a non-alcoholic version for him. And that's kind of been her tradition every Christmas holiday to make it for him. And then we would take it for Christmas. But this year, we're going to Christmas out of state. We're going to Alabama for Christmas. So we won't be driving, we'll be flying. So I was like, how am I going to get this to my dad with, you know, checking a bag and the weight and all of that stuff that we're flying, and then my dad having a bag and him and all that stuff. So I decided that I would take it with me in this thermos and check it in my bag, because my dad will be in Huntsville with me. And I figured this is the easiest way to do it, because when we're packing for Christmas, we'll have a lot more stuff. It'll be heavier. So I'm going to transfer this bottle of sorrel into this thermos and transport it with me to Huntsville, and allow my dad to just drive it back with him when he goes. He'll probably drink it while we're there because he likes it so much. But that's my little plan, to get sorrel to my dad for the holidays. Now he doesn't know it's coming, so this will kind of be a nice surprise for him. That and he misses it. I remember one year he's like, Audrey's mom make me anything? It was so cute. Though. The only thing is this bottle is full and we have this much left. So what I may do is take this amount with me. I feel like so bad that I can't. Oh God. guys. What should I do? I'm gonna put this in the freezer. Ooh, ooh, ooh. What happened here? I'm making a mess, guys. This is not good. I'm gonna clean it up and figure it out. I found another stainless steel bottle that I think can hold the remainder. So we're gonna be traveling with 2 bottles and our checked luggage. As we know, this does not meet the 3-ounce requirement for carry-on. So it's just enough, guys. Like, it's right at the top. So, of course, I'm gonna wrap these extra. No spillage, because that would be disastrous for all of my clothes, right? All right. To Huntsville they go. Guys, I figured since you're around, why not just pack with me? So I did some preliminary packing on Friday. So this isn't my first start at this, but I thought I'd talk a little bit about my packing method because it's changed a little bit over the years. So this is business travel that I'm doing, and I'll be gone for 4 days. So there's a travel day, something I'm doing in the evening. Then there's full day Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday fly back. So that's travel. So I've been very good about not overpacking because I find that when I pack like a bunch of extra stuff, it makes getting dressed when I get there, organizing my clothes frustrating. I don't know. I feel like less is more. Like I just know what I want to wear every day, and that's it. I don't pack extra. I mean, that might not be safe, but it makes things easier for me when it comes to getting dressed each day that I'm away. But what I have done to make sure that I'm confident in what I'm packing is I try on every outfit. Even if I've worn it 100 times, I try it on for that trip specifically. And I consider myself in the space that I'm going to be. And I ask myself, does this work for that space? Because a lot of times you have like an outfit you like, but when you try to put that outfit in a particular location with the activities you have going on, it doesn't fit, right? So that's how I've been able to make adjustments. And I also have tried to do better with packing shoes that can go with multiple outfits, so I don't have to pack as many shoes. So for this particular trip, I'm only taking 2 pairs of boots, and they're comfortable boots because I will have to do some walking. And so I know if I want to be cute, but I also want to be comfortable. So I have my little ankle boot, but I also have my knee-high boots because it is supposed to be a little cooler than it typically is there. And I found that these 2 colors could kind of go with the outfits that I'm packing. Always pack my pajamas. I have like travel pajamas, and these are usually my, nicer pajamas. I always think that should be a fire in the middle of the night and you have to run out of your hotel room and into the lobby, you're dressed appropriately, but you still look, presentable. This is not the time to wear booty shorts and a t-shirt. Okay, so I usually pack a nice set of pajamas. So I have that ready. And I packed a pair of pants and a shirt to go with this. So I pair them together. Always pack the outfits together too, especially when it's a short trip, because it makes it easier when I get there to take my things out of my suitcase. I do that, and I hang everything up to kind of help get the wrinkles out, because I really am not the type of person that enjoys ironing. So I always make sure I have enough outfits. So that's day 1. We have day 2. I do need to find a shirt to go along with this. Packing a vest and a skirt that will go with the boots. And then I have a day 3 outfit. So everything that goes with that, the belt, the jacket, the pantsuit, it's right here. And I also have another day outfit, which is a jean dress with a khaki blazer, which I will wear with those boots again. And I also packed a belt that goes with the boots so that I can wear those with those 2 outfits that will have this. So it's almost like creating a capsule wardrobe for for a trip. So things that can be mixed and matched. And then I have my last day / travel back outfit, which I'm wearing jeans to be comfortable, but kind of a nice top that I really like. And you know, I'm trying to not dress bummy, if that makes sense. Like, I'm gonna have a comfortable outfit on my travel to the airport that's comfortable, like a leisure suit. But since I'm going to have part of the conference that day and I'm traveling, I tried to find a nice balance between. So I feel like jeans can kind of be considered dressy and casual. So I usually do that like on a day where I have to attend the event and then I'm traveling at the same time, if that makes sense. So I have all my outfits packed, and because I don't have a whole lot of stuff, I have no particular packing method. I'm not rolling anything. I'm literally just folding them and putting them together in the suitcase. However, one of the things I am doing, or typically do, is put my shoes on the other side. So I have all the clothes on one side over here, and you know, we fasten them in. Aha, so they stay nice. And also I packed like my undergarments and the zipper part right here, so that's good. I do need to pack some more socks. And I packed my shoes, as I said, on the other side. And I also have these are like my favorite like house slippers to wear, so I'm packing those. And because this is a short trip, I'm not packing much. I am taking stuff that I may not normally take. Like, so I'll have my toiletry bag in here. So sometimes when I'm not trying to really pack a bag, I will put everything in like a carry-on and be good. So I have that here. I also have my planner and stuff because I'll be taking my book bag that has the camera that I'll need. So I failed to mention that with this event that I'm attending, I also am doing coverage of the event. So I'll take pictures and I'll be writing a story while I'm there. So I typically travel with my camera, which I'm just gonna have in my book bag to make it easier. And just so it's not heavier, I decided to put my planner and all that stuff in the suitcase so that I'll take it out when I get there. Because we have some things to talk about while I'm there, because we're gonna continue our Vlogmas. So yeah, guys, that's how I pack. I also have those bottles for my dad that I'm gonna wrap in several plastic bags that I will pack with the shoes, because if it's gonna spill on the shoes, let's wipe them off. And hopefully not the suitcase, but I'm hoping it won't spill at all. I feel like it's suctioned pretty good, so. All right, thanks for packing with me. Going over this helped me realize some of the things I need to pack. I need to pack more socks. I have some teas that my dad left when we were in Michigan that I'm gonna be bringing to him, so I'm gonna pack those as well. And my toiletry bag, which I usually do the morning of because I may use some of those items. But I think we're good to go for our trip. Thanks for packing with me. Okay, another thing I realized I have to do before I fly out tomorrow is the laundry. I hate to leave laundry undone when I go out of town. Now I only do my husband and my laundry. Amara's at boarding school. She does her laundry either there or when she comes home. And my other daughter, Kaden, she does her own laundry. I don't have to worry about her. Washes, dries it, folds it. So I just really want to make sure hubby's good for the week, and also I just don't like coming back from a trip and having a task waiting for me. I'd rather stay up late the night before, which is obviously what I'm doing at this point. I'm getting things done. That way I can travel with a clear head and mind. You guys know how that is, right? All right, so let me get to it. It'll be a long night. All right, guys, all the laundry has been folded. I will take it upstairs in the morning because yeah, I'm tired. But guess what I'm doing right now? Hooking up baby girl's hair before I go. Her request for flat twist. And the current time is 12:06 a.m. I'm gonna get this done. Then we're gonna get some shut eye because we still have to get up early in the morning and run a few errands before the airport. Good morning, guys. It's the next day and I've already done a bunch of things before I'm almost at the airport right now. I had to stop by my daughter's dorm because she's having a banquet this evening. Of course she didn't take a dress. They have ugly sweater day this week. Of course she didn't take her ugly sweater. So I had to drop those things off for her. But I also had to run by the office, as I shared with you guys last night. I got my card for my camera and I was a little nervous that I was going to be a little late to the airport, but I think I'm going to be okay. My flight's at 10:39. It's 8:52 and I'm about 5 minutes from parking. So I think I'll be in good shape. I was a little worried about that. But just want to thank you guys for hanging out with me. There was so much I wanted to do before this point. I wanted to kind of give you guys an overview of the whole house and how we've decorated, but I didn't get to finish because life is just full of a lot of things that take up a lot of my time, and I wouldn't trade it for anything. I'm going to end this vlog here, but I'm taking you guys with me. We're still going to talk. I'm still going to continue Vlogmas, and I'm excited about that. I just make sure I'm not missing my exit. And so we're going to be talking about some different things this week. We're going to talk about some of our goals for 2025, but also taking some reflection on 2024 and the goals we set in the beginning and how we did. Talk about some lessons we've learned along the way. So stay tuned for Vlogmas. We're going to keep it going, even though, we took a little break for a day or so. But thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.